In the heart of Dubai's rapidly evolving skyline, a revolutionary technology is reshaping the landscape of architecture and construction: 3D laser scanning. At the forefront of this technological revolution stands Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a pioneering company bringing cutting-edge 3D laser scanning solutions to the United Arab Emirates. This advanced technology utilizes high-speed lasers to capture precise, three-dimensional data of buildings, infrastructure, and entire cityscapes with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. 3D laser scanning has become an indispensable tool in Dubai's ambitious construction projects, offering a myriad of benefits that align perfectly with the city's vision for innovation and excellence. The technology allows architects, engineers, and urban planners to create highly detailed digital models of existing structures and proposed developments. These models serve as a foundation for informed decision-making, enabling stakeholders to visualize projects in stunning detail before breaking ground. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has positioned itself as a key player in Dubai's 3D laser scanning market, offering a comprehensive suite of services tailored to the unique needs of the region. Their expertise spans various applications, from heritage preservation to modern construction management. By employing state-of-the-art scanning equipment and proprietary software, Scon Design ensures that every project benefits from the highest standards of accuracy and reliability. One of the most significant advantages of 3D laser scanning in Dubai's context is its ability to capture complex architectural details with unparalleled precision. This is particularly valuable in a city known for its intricate designs and ambitious structural feats. Whether it's the flowing curves of the Burj Khalifa or the intricate patterns of traditional Arabic architecture, 3D laser scanning can capture every nuance, allowing for faithful restoration, renovation, or replication. Moreover, the technology has proven invaluable in Dubai's efforts to create smart cities and implement building information modeling (BIM) practices. By integrating 3D laser scanning data into BIM workflows, construction teams can identify potential clashes, optimize space utilization, and streamline project timelines. This level of foresight and planning is crucial in a city where efficiency and innovation are